Welcome back to the Cowboy Valley and Timberline Junction Model Railroad. I just got to a point where I could give you a decent update on the mining district. This is the first part of the upper deck coming off of the summit of the mountain. And it's taken a little while to do, a lot of structures on it. And I still have some more scenery to finish and some more finished detail to put on it, but I wanted to give you a look at what was going on, and anyway, let's get to it. Of course, what we have here is the Summit Y at the top of the mountain. The tracks in the distance go off. We'll go off to the town of Timberline, and that'll be the next installment as far as what gets put in the railroad. Anyway, put in this little rock outcropping here to kind of hide this corner. I think it came out pretty well. It's kind of a funny corner there, so needed something. I haven't finished detailing this yet. This is the down slope, or the bottom tram house, and it will have a tram coming from on top of the mountain there. That's one of the next things I'm going to install, and then of course it would be transferred into ore buckets or cars and run over to the tipple to be dumped into the cars loading. Anyway, I got static grass put in, and all the rock is painted. I've got a little miner's prospect hole there. This is a Campbell scale models kit. I believe this is the Idaho mine kit, and it's not a real big kit, but it's a very interesting little kit for a mine. And then we come on across. By the way, the backdrops, I think I've said many times before, from Lark Products. He has a lot of good Colorado mountain scenes. This is the tunnel that it goes into, and then comes on around out on the other side right here. This little bridge, I just scratch built this little bridge to make the crossover for this. It also kind of gave me a tunnel portal without actually building a tunnel portal. But all the rock faces that you see here are all from Woodland Scenics molds, and then just painted with acrylics. This mine right here, I don't have a name for it yet. This is the black bark mine from Sudum Kits. I'm not going to call it that, but it is an all metal kit. The kit comes with the tunnel in the back that is also all metal, but it is built at an angle, and I needed one to go straight, so I scratch built the tunnel there going into the mountain. This needs a lot more detail on it too, but this is where it's going to sit. Then we come over to this mine here. This is the Silver Spur mine, and I am going to call it that. It's also a Campbell scale models kit, wood craftsman kit. I've done a little bit of detailing on it, but it's not complete yet. I also modified the chute right here a little bit. Normally that short part right there would be the end of the chute for it, but I needed it to come out a little bit further, and I thought, well, I can make it to dump the waste off also. All these kits, except for the one right here in the corner, the black bark mine, that one's not lit, but the rest of them have lights in them. Here's the switchback coming back, and the train is stopped in front of the mining supply and Railway Express Agency office. That's also a Campbell kit, Scale Models kit. It is the Campbell Supply, I think is what they named that kit. And then the last mine right here is a Sudum kit. This is an all metal building. I've modified it with some wood and stuff. It's kind of hard to see, but underneath back in here, you can see the chutes coming down, and the floor rafters. I've put added all that extra in. But this is going to be a coal mine. This will be Cowboy coal, and that'll give me another industry separate from the ore mines to do business with on the railroad. But here's kind of an overview of the whole thing. This is the switchback section, of course, and then it comes across back over to the summit. Anyway, kind of a short video, but I wanted to get this out to you and let you see it. And it's pretty close to complete. It still needs some trees, a few trees, and some detail stuff on it left to go. But it's looking pretty good, I think. So anyway, I want to just give everybody a quick shot at that. And then we'll see you next time. By the way, I surpassed 300 subscribers. I'm not sure how, but we went past 300 here in the last couple of months. Anyway, I think I'll do a small giveaway. So if you want to be included in the giveaway, it's just going to be a straight drawing out of the hat. If you want to be included in that, leave your name in the comments, or put a comment in the comments below of the video, and you'll be in the drawing, and maybe give away one of my shirts, or maybe one of the coffee cups, something like that. It won't be anything too fancy, but it won't cost you anything. So if you'd like to be in that drawing, just leave a comment. Just say hey, whatever, down in the comments, and I'll put your name in the hat for a drawing on my next update. Anyway, take care.